Basement Birds version 2. And everyone seems pretty happy. You're just going from feeder to water to feeder. What's that about, sir? The only duck in this place. There's a turkey. What just happened?
He goes into this guy. Oh, shit. Sorry. My bad.
He's putting the turkey in his place. Turkey tries to fly. Duck says no. The duck's just a bully today. Stop eating the chickens. You're not a carnivore. Apparently he is. Chickens and turkeys are both on the menu to him. What was that, Chip? You just flew into a sit. Helicopter? Nope, I'm gonna sit down.
Set this down in there.
Why?
And put puddles in it and see if you can get out.
No, puddles aren't gonna get out of that, baby. No, I swear.
Try it.
Alright, puddles.
Now, time to chase down a...
Watch your big feet.
No, not chase down? Okay.
Don't step on the babies.
Really, kid?
See?
Done.
See? He can get out.
Why are you coming towards me?
I thought maybe Puddles would like a little swimming bowl, and we don't use that one for him.
Alright. What you thinking?
Puddle, stop pecking everyone. You're not a carnivore. I swear you're not.
You ready for the day?
Or do you think this would be better for Puddles? I didn't see the stocking back down.
Go get some more water and put it in there too.